everyone, look what I got. So I got this stuff from Michael's and I wanted to show you what I got. I only got two things. I got a brand new sketchbook. Because my other one, I finished it. And I also got this. Because I've been wanting to try to play around with ink since it's Inktober. And I've just been wanting to do this for like a while. And I've just wanted to try inks and I have no experience. I don't even know where to start. Oh wait, this light's not turned on. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna put this sketchbook to the side for now and just open this up. Okay, if you're wondering why these two tape are here, it's because I just want to make sure this doesn't get out of frame. YouTuber hacks. Okay, let's just stop talking and open this. I am going to pretend that I am surprised because I totally didn't open this at the store and check what's in here. I'm gonna pretend I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm gonna put the box over here. You can't see it. So it comes in this box. So there's like thingies over here, so you can't like completely pop off this thing. Okay, so there's this. Looks like you're supposed to use it to write letters, but I'm gonna use it to draw. This is instructions over here. I decided to get a kit instead of just like inks, because I don't know. Oh. Okay, this will be helpful. Just put this to the side. This looks to be a little sketchbook. What? Pretend you didn't see that. Let's just focus on this. It's like a little sketchbook for this. So I guess we could use this. The magic. Is there anything under here? I probably shouldn't open this. Okay, there's nothing in there. I looked. Okay, so there's some like color tubes here and these things. Is there instructions? Okay, I'm guessing there's instructions here. Holding the pen. Okay. Does it just expect me to know already? Fill your pen. Okay, fill your pen. Ugh. Care of your pen. Okay. Just okay. How this? So it comes with duplicates. Oh, okay. So these are all the colors in here, and there's 3 times of each. That's cool. Pause. Sorry. Actually, all of them, like, I am correct. All of them have 3 times, except for the black. They have 6 instead. Let's just take the green one, because I was going to get the pink one straight up, but what if I ruin the pink one? Okay, let's do that. There's this. Oh. Okay. Just put this back. Okay, so there's this. Let's get one of these black colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared right now. What is this? What is this? Maybe I should use this one. This will help me to get these thingies out. Okay, I'm not gonna stab. There's like a tiny ball here. I'm not gonna stab it because I'm stupid. One of these things here. Maybe I should get the big boy because I probably won't be using this one. Because I might break something and I don't want that to happen. Oh, okay, so there's a ball here. Okay, so there's like a little bump here. And there's like an indent here, so I'm guessing you just like do this. I'm so scared right now. Do I just like click it? Oh my gosh, it clicked. Okay, so do I just put this here? Okay, so there's instructions here. I just like hold it this way, like vertically. It's dancing. Oh, do I squeeze this? No, it's not squeezable. What's happening here? Come on, work. Okay, it looks to be open. Maybe I just need to wait. I'm not being patient. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this to do whatever it wants to do. Close this. Do that. Just gonna leave it there. Okay, what is this? What is this? This could spin. For no reason. Oh, whoa, whoa! Made in England. Okay. So is this like a little syringe thing? Woo, woo, woo. I don't know what this does. Did this do anything? No, not really. Do your magic! Okay, how about this thing over here? I just stabbed this thing in here. What? When did this happen? Whoa! Was it this? How did that happen? Okay. I'm just gonna draw like this. How do you do this? Just gonna leave that there. I'm gonna try to get this out like I was originally doing. There. Can I make these two kiss? It doesn't do anything. How about if I put it in here and I suck it? Oh. Oh, wait, come back. Whoa! It's a mess. What did I do? Oh no. Should I have water nearby? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna ruin this. Everybody who knows ink is like getting frustrated at me right now. I really don't know how to do this. I'm gonna clean this before like it gets stuck in there or something. Cause isn't it like you could get mold or something? Okay, I went to look at some videos on how to do this. Okay, so now it was said like some of the videos to like leave it upside down for either 15 seconds or 2 minutes or something. So there. And I'm gonna do a little sketch to, I guess, try to line it when it's ready or something. So I started sketching out Spinel because I just felt like it. I wanted to try to do something a bit simple. So if it, like the line art is like very thick or uncontrollable, like I'll be able to draw with it. And I was waiting for so long for this ink pen to like work. It just wasn't working for some reason. And here I tried to see if like a marker would work on this paper, like if it would mess up or something, and it looks like it did good. So I was just like finishing off the drawing and just like putting final details in. Yeah. Okay, so I finally got it working. Took an eternity. You pain me. I just need to clean this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me tell you what happened. Okay. So I left it upside down, but it didn't do anything. I left it there for like an hour or something. Nothing. I left it there for another hour. Nothing. So I decided to give it to my dad for him to try to help me because when in doubt, grown up it out. So he was looking around and looking at it. He put it in his mouth and then tried it, and then it started working. I'm like, what? So you get some damp water. I just realized I said damp water. I meant to say a damp napkin. Kind of like mix it up, put it in here, do this a couple of times. Don't like break it, like kind of just do this. Then try to test it out. And then if it's not working, just repeat. So yeah, mine is backwards because there's nothing in here. Because I want to replace the color. I thought this color was blue, but it seems to be black. And I don't know what to do with these colors once they're open. Like, what do I do? Is this blue? I can't even tell right now. This is blue! This is blue. I thought it was black. What the heck? So I wanted to test out the ink pens a little bit more. So I'm just trying to like get this one flowing, like it's ink flowing, and then it started working. I'm like, okay. So then I started trying to color in Spinel's hair a tiny bit, but the nib was a little too small, so I probably should have changed it for a larger nib, but I would have had to clean the other colors out, and it would have been like a big hassle to do that, so I just didn't. So here I decided to get my big sketchbook, my new one, and started just doodling on it. So the colors that came in the set was a dark blue, a lighter blue, a pink, a black, and an orange. But I just didn't use the orange. There was only like 4 pens, and I didn't feel like switching it out and just doing the hassle again. So here I'm just drawing this weird lady thing. I don't know what I drew. I just started drawing. I was just mostly doodling because I just wanted to get a feel for these ink pens. So when you go, it's like it's like a broad tip. So if you go one way, it's a thicker like mark. If you go like another way, it's like thinner. So that's how it kind of was. So I rate this kit a 4 stars out of 5. It's not 5 because like just the beginning was kind of frustrating because I couldn't get it working. Maybe it's just me being stupid, but it just wasn't working. I decided to draw like my 4 main characters because I just first started drawing Rain, and I was kind of wanting to draw Rain since the other video, so I just drew her, and then I drew the rest of the characters because I haven't drawn them all together yet in this channel. I don't really like how I drew Silk. She's kind of just like squeezed in there. So I hope you like this sort of review or something like that. So I feel like I didn't know what was in this box, so it's kind of difficult for me to like figure it out. But I really do like these pens, and overall, like, it just feels really great once you get the ink like getting out, and it doesn't smudge when you erase it or fade or anything. So I feel like it's pretty good once you actually get it starting to work.